She's noticed that Jewel is there, and she wants to get back to the water before Jewel takes her place. Jewel is thin and hungry after the winter. She's desperate to fish. But first, she must make sure that her exuberant cubs are in the right place where she can see them, and that could take some time. It's not long since she was a cub herself, and she enjoys the rough and tumble. There's only room here for one big bear to fish, and Teddy wants to make sure that it's her, not Jewel or anyone else. Tuffy is left alone on the bank. But as Teddy enjoys herself in the clear pool, her cub's gloom increases. Jewel and her family are coming nearer. But Tuffy is her mother's daughter, an alpha female in the making. She's not about to back down. One reason for Teddy's lack of concern is that Jewel is very young and well aware of Teddy's high status. She can be fairly confident that the younger bear won't harm Tuffy. When she brings up the next fish, the standoff takes a turn in Tuffy's favor. Jewel recognizes Teddy, and she knows that she will not hesitate to attack if she and her family get too close. Jewel soon has a reminder of the senior bear's power. Teddy will go to any lengths to defend her youngest daughter. Jaw clacking shows how tense and stressed Teddy is. But there are fish to catch, and the water calls. Jewel and her cubs advance once again. Tuffy holds her ground, but this time not her fish.